We are at our beautiful customer's house in Horsham, PA, where we're about to replace 14 old vinyl windows with Oknoplast Pixel tilt and turn windows along with the entry door. So stay tuned to see all the wonderful upgrades. This is what the client has right now, and this is what we're going to go ahead and replace it with. It is the triple pane glass from Oknoplast. We are actually measuring the temperature of the glass here. It's really like just not blocking out the heat, the cold, very not efficient. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we upgrade these windows. So let's take a closer look. Okay, this is the beautiful picture window we just installed, made with triple pane glass. NFRC certified and built to perform. Each window features triple pane low E glass with a U factor as low as 0.19 and sound ratings up to STC 36 compared to 24 to 30 in typical vinyl windows. Optional upgrades go as high as STC 47. They're airtight, energy efficient, and open 3 ways: tilt, turn, and micro vent, with reinforced 6-chamber UPVC frames and galvanized steel. Better, more secure, and far more energy efficient in every room. We're gonna go ahead and replace a very old entry doorway. The threshold, the weather stripping, it's just really deteriorated. It's not very energy efficient, it's not very safe. The actual exterior of the door is very old, it's seen its day, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that with an Oknoplast aluminum door, so stay tuned for the final results. A stunning aluminum entry door in a rich wood grain walnut finish with triple pane frosted glass and a reinforced frame built to last. It's low maintenance, weatherproof, and feels solid like a bank vault thanks to its multi-point locking system. Big box store doors can't compare. Call ARDMOR Windows and Doors, bringing more to your door.